An organization responsible for managing Medicaid funding for mental health services for a large chunk of West Michigan is losing its contract with the state of Michigan.
13 on your side, Lakeshore reporter Noah Fromson tells us why the state and the organization are at odds.
Officials at Lakeshore Regional Entity, or LRE, say that the state prematurely ended their contract while they were working to reduce a deficit. But it's a deficit they say has been caused by years of underfunding, which they believe could lead to a decline in services throughout the region.
They've overspent by $43.5 million.
After years of overspending and more projected shortfalls, the state says it can't keep working with Lakeshore Regional Entity, a prepaid inpatient health plan that covers 7 West Michigan counties.
Lakeshore Regional Entity is an outlier compared to the rest of the state. There is no other PIHP in the state that is experiencing these types of issues on a consistent basis.
It's not just overspending. The Department of Health and Human Services says LRE also failed to address risk management strategies and weak member outcomes relative to other regions. Interim CEO Greg Hoffman says the organization's current partnership with Beacon Health Options is starting to cut into the deficit, but he says years of systemic underfunding put them into a hole, one their report found other PIHPs are starting to fall into.
Fiscal year 2018, 8 out of 10 of the PIHPs ran deficits, and at least 2 others no longer have reserves to cover those.
Hoffman says the less than 2% increase in Medicaid funding since 2015 makes it tough to meet the increasing demand for mental health and substance abuse services.
Unless there's more dollars that are infused into the system, there will have to be some level of reduction.
The state is establishing a temporary contract with Beacon before finding a new PIHP for the region. LRE is asking for the state to join in a partnership with the 2 organizations to maintain some public control over the system.
It creates a lot of concern across the state that there's a move to try to privatize the system.
Reporting in Norton Shores, Noah Fromson, 13 on your side.